and welcome to my channel. My name's Sharon and thanks for joining me today. I'm very excited. I just got this delivered and I believe it might be my Etchr Lab New Year mystery box, and I can't wait to open it. I started to open it and got as far as that because I thought, oh, maybe it'll tell me. So hopefully it is my Etchr Lab New Year mystery pack. It's absolutely huge. I really didn't expect anything this big. Can you see? It's oh, I don't know, it won't all fit on the screen. It weighs 1.5 kilos, so let's have a look and see what we've got. Peeking into that bag, I couldn't tell. It's been very well bubble wrapped. Now the ad for this said that there was going to be 3 new products, so I'm not sure what they're going to be, but bear with me and I'll undo this bubble wrap and I'll be back. I'm just too excited, sorry. I'll be back. There's a lot of bubble wrap on here. I just thought I'd show you how much. A lot. So I'm still trying to open it all, and well, we're getting closer. It is Etchr Lab. I can see, can you see the little symbol through there? Alright, I'll just switch off and I'll be back when it's open. Here we go, mystery pack New Year edition. It's still a decent sized parcel, so I'll cut it open and let's see what we can find. I've never had one of these mystery packs before. I've seen others, and so I thought I'd buy myself a present for the new year when I saw it advertised. Hopefully I'm not ruining it. Oh my gosh, there's lots and lots in here. Oh my gosh. Wow. It looks pretty full, doesn't it? Oh God. Okay, calm down, Sharon. Calm down. Alright. What do we pull out first? I wouldn't even know what's new and what's not new. So, oh, I've run out of room. Just one moment. Okay, I think I've got myself sorted now with a bit of room, so let's get into it. First is an Etchr Sketchbook, portrait format, cold pressed, B5, 44 pages, 300 GSM, 100% cotton. And that looks lovely with deckled edges, doesn't that? I don't know if you can see that. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So let's open it and have a look. Oh, it was a battle getting all that plastic off, but I'm glad it was well wrapped. That's the main thing. Then we've got, what have we got here? Take this off. Do we, or do I have to? I think I have to rip that. Oh, I'm doing great here, aren't I? Oh, right. There we go. Laminated edition. And perfect for watercolor. PU leather cover, opens flat. It's got a beautiful, look at the cover. God, I hope that shows up. Can you see all the etching into it? It's absolutely beautiful. Make more art. And then look at the deckled pages. They are just gorgeous. Can you see that? And it's, oh, the watercolor paper feels beautiful. Really good quality. I'm not sure who it's made by, the paper. Archival grade. Doesn't say who's made the actual paper. But what a beautiful, beautiful sketchbook. Hope I'm not too scared to use it. I really hope so. Right, what's next? Let's get this big box out of the way. Oh. Alright. A holiday box set. Watercolour half pans, a pocket palette, and greeting cards, and a pin. Now let's see if I can get it open. That there. Take this off to stop some of the glare. And we've got a llama pin. That's beautiful, isn't it? I'm not sure that I'd wear it, but it's lovely. I keep looking at that sketchbook. I'm not sure how much they're worth. I think probably about 100 Australian dollars. And pearlescent watercolours, 7 half pan set. And we've got royal gold, pure gold, jade, pearl, ruby, satin bronze, and copper. That's gorgeous too. I look forward to trying those out. I might have to do a swatching with those. Oh, and a little palette I do love. I do love a little palette. What's this? Oh, a 7 pan set. Oh, holes, your little mixing plates, and an additional magnet. I think it will be to hold this side in. I think. Oh, this side wants to stay in. Oh, it does have magnets already in the bottom. I'm not quite sure what this one's for. Not sure. Maybe you could put it on the bottom and on a magnetic sketchboard thing on your sketchbook. I'm really not sure. I'll have to have a look into that. I think these are worth a fair bit of money too. Well, I shouldn't say worth, cost a fair bit of money. And watercolour greeting cards. What's this? Oh, and a swatch sheet for the paints. And a QR code for inspiration. Then, what are these? Oh, and envelopes. Well, that's nice. Looks like the same. Yep, 300 gram cold pressed paper, 100% cotton. How many of those do we get? Let's open it. We get 1, 2, 5 sheets, and they would be about A5, I reckon. Let's have a look. Let's move that. And the bigger than A5. About 5 3/4 by 8 1/4 inches, that is. I'm really happy so far, really happy. I think I've got my money's worth already just in the sketchbook. and the paints and the palette. I pre-ordered this in November as the mystery pack New Year edition. So, and it's only just arrived today, which is the 2nd of February. It was dispatched from China, which surprised me, but it does say designed in Australia, made in China. What's next? Laminated edition 2026 Etchr calendar. Hope it starts in February. Oh dear. Let's have a look. I've not seen this anywhere. I don't own any Etchr products. I'm not sure if I've said that before, but I don't. And I've seen so many boxes, mystery packages, etc. And always wished I could order one. And I just happened to see the New Year one and knew it wouldn't be out until January sometime. So it doesn't give you any hints, really. Although, right, struggling a bit here, aren't I? Oh, okay. This calendar gives you open space, fresh paper, and full permission to paint whatever you like. Follow your curiosity, ignore it completely, paint over it later. It's your year. Share your 2026 moments with Etchr. We'd love to see what you create. Happy New Year. Right. And, oh, nice. It's all watercolour paper. One for each month. I like that. Very nice. I don't know if that's a new product or not, but I'm happy with that. So what have I got? Palette, paints, pin, watercolour paper, calendar, sketchbook. Oh, a brush pouch. Actually, I showed one of these on one of my last videos I got in a subscription box. And this one is in collaboration with Etchr Marcos, who is based in Portugal. Right. And that's some inspiration, another little QR code. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Hold. Ten paintbrushes, which is sufficient for when you're just out and about or travelling. I wouldn't need any more than 10 paintbrushes, that's for sure. It's very nice. Is there anything else? Oh. It says it's a satchel. This might be one of the new things. It was supposed to be 3 exclusive surprises inside. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Can you see the picture? I don't even know what this would be worth. I think they're pretty pricey. In collaboration with Darren Yao. He's an Australian, actually. Curry range was developed in collaboration with the professional artist Darren. Darren set out to create an artist bag that would enable him to create whenever and wherever he was inspired. Excuse me. Etchr now ranges 5 carry products, each meticulously designed by Darren from his home studio in Melbourne, Australia. Well, not that Darren will be watching my channel, but hi Darren from Adelaide. Oh. Quickly assembles into a stable drawing platform. Front pocket opening, modular top tool strip, elastic storage strap, D-rings, pencil holder, shoulder strap. And by the feel of it, I'd say it's waterproof. I'm so excited about this. My goodness. Look at that. Oh, wow. Now I just have to work out how to set it up. Sorry. Open that out. Now there's a strap. Now where's the picture? Alright. So it goes. Oh, pencils and all can go in here. Oh, I'm not making much sense. They're my pencils. And this bit. And then your straps. Oh, I'll have to try and figure that out. I'm sure someone can tell me in the comments. But there's plenty of room here. Room for sketchbooks. Room for your pencils or brushes. And your pocket at the front for more, your palettes and things. And I think, did I say yes? Another pocket in behind here as well, with plenty of room. Don't know that this will fit in there. No, that wouldn't fit. But would it fit in the front? I don't know. Let's see. No, not really. No, it'll have to be a smaller one than that. Anyway, I should go and... It says water resistant, vegan friendly. But I am very excited about that. Etchr Nano Satchel quickly assembles into a stable drawing platform while also carrying essential art supplies. Well, there you go. I'm very excited and I'm really happy with this mystery pack. Thanks, Etchr. I'll have fun using all this, and I really think that I got my money's worth from the pre-order. That's, as I said, I've got nothing from Etchr. I own nothing from Etchr, but now I think they might have a new customer. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.